Hello there, this is Ujjwal and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm sharing this monochromatic art journal page, and I just had this idea for a little while now, and I'm just happy that I was able to finally put it on paper. So I'm starting in my big journal with the TCW iridescent silver heavy body paint, and I'm just giving a thick coat, leaving a faint border, a rough border along the sides, and nothing perfect here, just using a big flat brush and applying the paint with no to very little water, just to keep the brush moving. And then I'll just leave it out to dry, or you could use a heat gun to make the process faster. And now this stencil is one of the most beautiful stencils called Blueprint, and I hadn't been able to use it yet, but I thought it would be perfect for this particular spread. And now I'm using the spun sugar heavy body paint with a wet wipe and just adding the stenciling randomly. Next step, I'm going to draw the girl face. I'm using a charcoal pencil. This is a General's extra soft charcoal pencil, and yeah, so my camera stopped recording in between. The storage was full, and I didn't realize that because I was in the zone of creating. So basically I just used this charcoal pencil. It's from General brand, and I drew the face, and then I used the black licorice heavy body paint from TCW to paint the hair. And now I'm using the same paint to kind of add some splatters, because, well, splatters make everything so dreamy and wonderful. So I love adding splatters on my journal pages. So, and for the hair, I'm using the spun sugar paint to add some white splatters. And then I'm using more of that spun sugar paint to add highlighted areas on the face. So the forehead, the T-zone, the tip of the chin and cheeks, and a little bit on the eyes, just to make the face look more dramatic and just to make it pop up on the page. So I'm just using my fingers here and smudging the paint onto the paper. So now onto those white cheeks, I'm going to add just a hint of raspberry sorbet heavy body paint, just to give it that rosy glow. And now I'm going back with the stencils wherever I felt there were empty spaces or I needed to fill it up more. I'm going back with the stencil and the wet wipe with the spun sugar paint to add more. And then I'm using this star shower stencil. This is actually a cookie stencil, but I don't bake that much, so I like using them on my journal spreads. And I'm just adding a little bit of some tiny stars here and there onto the hair. I think it just adds a little bit more drama to the page. And once everything is dried, I am using a fine liner and just writing down the sentiment that says she dreams more often than she sleeps, which is kind of really true in my case. So I just thought it was perfect for this journal page, and that's it. So I had so much fun creating this page, and I really love how it turned out. Black and white has such a great appeal to it, so I just love this entire layout, the process, and how the end result came out to be. I hope you enjoyed the process, and all the supplies I used are listed down below, so take a look, and I'll see you again next time. Don't forget to share and subscribe to the channel if you like watching my videos. Have a great day. Bye bye.